Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be making a cover page for French. So you can use this for any other subject, but in today's video, we are going to show you which type of design you can use. So first, I'll start by making 6 circles. Your circle size can depend on the size of the page you are using. I'm using A5, so that's why my circles are according to that. After this, we are going to color the circles using brush pens or markers or highlighters. So the first one I'm coloring it with pink, the next one with green. So here I'm using pastel highlighters. Next I'm using yellow. After that purple. Kindly like and subscribe to the channel. Then orange. And then blue. After that, I'm making these small lines on the edge of each circle, and then I'm going to write all the letters. So I am using a simple calligraphy using my marker, black marker and black pen. You can use a permanent marker, or you can use brush pen, or you can also buy calligraphy pens for it. So on each circle, I will write one letter. So it can be any other subject, as I already told you. And the number of circles can be according to that. And then we are going to color inside using a black marker. I'm using acrylic markers. You can use any other type of marker you have. Now after this, I'm making lines using my acrylic marker and my brush pens. So in these lines, you can write your name, class, section, roll number, school, your notes. And I'm using the colors purple, pink, yellow, olive green, brown, blue, light blue, pastel blue, and orange. And then a darker mustard type of shade. And in the pink section, I'm writing name, class in the yellow section, section in the green part, roll number in the brown part, school in the blue part, and notes in the orange After that, I'm making small rhombus shapes to make a nice design. I'm making that with my black pen, and then I'm making some dots. And I'm making these circles and lines to connect the circles with each other. And our cover page design is done. Thanks for watching. Bye.